Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Iron Man of India, was a prominent Indian freedom fighter and statesman. He played a crucial role in India's struggle for independence and was one of the key figures in the country's political scene after its independence. Sardar Patel was born on October 31, 1875, in Nadiad, a small town in the Indian state of Gujarat. He belonged to a farmer family and received his primary education in a village school. Later, he went on to study law in England and returned to India in 1913 to start his legal practice. Sardar Patel was deeply involved in the Indian freedom movement and played a significant role in various non-violent campaigns led by Mahatma Gandhi. He served as the president of the Indian National Congress in 1931 and 1934. After India gained independence in 1947, Sardar Patel played a vital role in the integration of the princely states into the Indian Union. Sardar Patel was appointed as India's first Deputy Prime Minister and the Home Minister after independence. He played a crucial role in the establishment of the Indian Administrative Service (IAS) and the Indian Police Service (IPS). He is also credited with the formation of the Ministry of States, which facilitated the integration of the princely states with the rest of India. Sardar Patel passed away on December 15, 1950, due to a heart attack. He is remembered as one of the founding fathers of the Indian Republic, and his contribution to the nation's unity and integrity is immense. The Government of India celebrates his birthday, October 31st, as National Unity Day, in recognition of his role in integrating the princely states into the Indian Union. His statue, the Statue of Unity, which is the tallest statue in the world, stands as a tribute to his legacy and continues to inspire millions of Indians. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a remarkable statesman, an inspiring leader, and a great patriot. He devoted his life to India's freedom and worked tirelessly towards its integration and progress. His contribution to India's unity and integrity will always be remembered and celebrated, making him an integral part of India's history and heritage.